To import inventory data into the SimpleOne Home Inventory Manager, start by opening the application and clicking the Data button in the top right corner of the screen. Once the inventory list view opens, click the Import button located in the top menu bar. This will trigger a file selection window where you should locate and select your CSV file, then click Open. An Import Options window will appear. First, decide whether you want to append the new data to your current list or erase the existing data to start fresh. Ensure the box for first row contains column headers is checked if your file has titles. Next, go through each column from your CSV to map it to the application. For each column you wish to include, check the Import box, select the appropriate data type from the drop-down, and choose the matching app field name. For example, map your file's purchase price column to the application's purchase price field. After mapping all desired fields, click the Import button at the bottom of the window. When the process finishes, a confirmation message will appear. Click Close to view your imported items in the inventory list. You can verify the data by navigating to the Browse Save section to see the updated subtotals and categories.